talk today about respecting yourself in this kind of way that I'm going to explain. Very important for people who are in the journey of self-discovery, spiritual journey. Like I don't have sex with everybody. Everyone you are having sex with, it means you're giving them the energy and you're taking their energy. So in this case, you are inviting new things in your field, you know. Giving yourself away to everybody every day is like giving your energy away for nothing. Love yourself enough that you will protect your energy, not having sex with everyone, because your body is not for everyone.